That's one fish on Holton right there.
There's one. I think it's a pike. No, it's a largemouth. He's gonna be a borderline keeper. I don't know if Jaber wants to keep any fish today. Good fish there. Damn it, come on. Got him there. It's either the third time that hit or the third fish that's hit it. It stays right above the weeds.
The boat, huh?
There's one.
Keeper.
Yeah, he should be. Come on, that was a hit. Come on, there it is. Oh yeah. That's good. That's a good fish. It's gotta be a big largemouth. Oh, it's a pike. Just wrapped up in the weeds.
Oh.
He hit it 2 or 3 times. Came right back for it. There's one.
Nicer?
That feels really good unless it's in the weeds. Big old largemouth. Not too big, but I don't know if he's even a keeper. It's hard to tell when they wrap weeds on it like that.
Right there at 13 and a half. No go. That's a nice fish.
Are you wrapped in the weeds? I can head over there unless you just got him out. There's one. Second cast with that thing.
You didn't on top of the Helen?
No, I reeled it probably 10 foot. Just a little pike. It almost looks like a mouse. Kind of swims a lot different than normal crankbaits. It's got a little rooster tail on it. One of the cheaper lures I own, about $3 lure. It's a cheap brand. There he is, came right back for it. This is like the second or third time I've done that. It's a pretty good one. A really good one. Gotta be a largemouth. Yep. Oh, he's a 15. He's way over. We're good. Watch your foot, though. You're gonna have to start catching some. I'm all out. I got one more. I've been throwing a lot of white, but I've been catching some on crawfish color too. If Roro wants to throw one of these, they're really easy. Keep your tip up and reel it. Just nice. It stays about a foot below the surface. You're good. I'll just toss them on. You don't have to get that close. I've probably caught 15 fish now.
Fighting?
Yeah, it's a largemouth. Not a bad one. Get out of there. Well, I got my 5 boys. Here. Need pliers? Oh, you got that on? There's one. Little pike. No, a little largy. Roro, I'm gonna put this one back so you can catch it, Kay? He swam right to you. We're still in really good weeds. They're a little lower. There's one. That's a good one. Come on, bud. Good little pike. At least he's got some fight to him. The double. The classic double. Later. Nice one. It's a largie. It's a largemouth. There you go. That'll probably keep.